Hello everyone. Today we shall learn about adverbs and adverbial phrases. Adverbs usually describe when, where, how, or why something happens. Before going into the video, please do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit the bell icon to get notified. I am Santosh Kiran. Welcome you all to my channel The Grammar World. Today we shall learn about the adverbial phrases. Adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or any other adverb, expressing manner, place, time, or degree. An adverb is also a word that tells us more about a verb. It qualifies or modifies a verb. Like example, a man ran quickly. Ran is the verb and it quickly is modifying the verb here, ran. Adverb phrase. Adverb phrase is a group of words that function as adverb in a sentence. They answer how, where, why, or when something was done. To understand what are adverbial phrases, let us examine some of the examples given here. First example, I kept my books. Here the sentence consists of only the verb and the object. We do not find any adverb or adverbial phrase. In the second example, I kept my books here. The sentence consists of kept verb, books object, and here is the adverb. So this sentence consists of adverb here. It is describing where the books were kept. Let us examine the third example. I kept my books right here. Kept is verb. Books is object. Right here is adverbial phrase. In this example, right here is emphasizing where the books were kept and implies a phrase instead of a single adverb. Right here, near the window, is a prepositional phrase. It is using the preposition near and the object window. In this case, the prepositional phrase functions as an adverb in the sentence, since it is modifying the verb to describe its location. It is both a prepositional phrase and an adverbial phrase. Now let us see the fourth example. I kept my books right here near the window. Kept is verb, books is object, right here is adverbial phrase, near the window is prepositional phrase. Let us see adverbial phrases which show how, where, why, and when something was done. Let us understand adverbial phrases describing how. The first example, the bride and groom opened their presents with delight. With delight is an adverbial phrase. It describes how the presents were opened. Let us observe the second example. She flew the plane through the fog calmly and skillfully. Through the fog is a prepositional phrase. It is describing how she flew the plane, and so the phrase calmly and skillfully modifies the verb flew. Hence, the prepositional phrase is an adverbial phrase. Let us observe adverbial phrases describing where. For example, the mystery books were placed next to the crime dramas. Next to the crime dramas is a prepositional phrase which is modifying the verb placed. The second example, this product is available in all places. In all places is a prepositional phrase which is telling about the product where it is available. It is modifying the verb. Let us understand adverbial phrases describing why. Here the example, she went online for more information. For more information is a prepositional phrase which is explaining why she went. Hence it is also called as an adverbial phrase. The second example, to have a clear view of the mountain, John climbed to the top. Why John climbed to the top is explained in this phrase, to have a clear view of the mountain. So this phrase is called as a prepositional phrase, which is describing why John climbed to the top. Let us understand adverbial phrases describing when. Here in this example, he made his decision as quickly as possible. As quickly as possible is stating when he made his decision. So it is an adverbial phrase. Likewise, second example, if we see, meet me at the mall later this evening. Later this evening is telling when to meet. And so this is the adverbial phrase. Adverbs, when added with adjectives or other adverbs, they give more information. Like example, adverb plus adjectives like very hot, extremely expensive, totally confused. Adverb plus adverbs, if we see example, very quietly, extremely carefully, slightly, carelessly. They give more information when they are added in a sentence. Hope you might have understood adverbial phrases which explain how, where, why, when something is done. Here is an activity. Fill in the blanks are given to you to fill them with adverbial phrases. Try to fill these adverbial phrases and make use of them in your writing. Hope you have understood adverbial phrases and their usage. In further videos, let us know more about the grammar. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you.